Dream Team, welcome back to another dream. So today we are finally fixing, well, this is part one of fixing the fitment on the A8. My spacers finally came in, the right ones. All right, so I believe these are, they look like 20s. These are the 20 millimeters, something slight. So I went 20s in the back and 15s in the front. So the reason why I went 15s in the front and then 20s in the back is because I'm pretty sure the rear wheel wells are wider than the front. So if I push them out to say, like if I did 15s in the front, 15s in the back, it's not gonna have that perfect fitment I'm looking for. But at the same time, it could be too wide. So I'm praying that it looks good. I'm at my mom's, so I can't really put them on myself. I have absolutely no tools. Like I have a crap ton of wrenches, but I don't have no jack. I don't have nothing really. So let's head to the tire shop and put them on. This video is gonna be pretty short, so if you want something cool to watch during your lunch break or something, you're at work or you just chilling in the house want something to watch, this video's for you. Right now, I'm trying to get to a point where I want to get a car part a week or a car part every 2 weeks. So like right now, we're doing the spacers. The next car part is going to be lowering links. And then the next car part, I think I want to do a little bit, like a couple cosmetic stuff, like the front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser. And then after that, I want to get into the engine. I want to learn more about the engine. I already have my ECU tune and the intake ready for when I'm ready to buy it. The ECU tune will get me to, right now I'm at either 450 or 460 horsepower. It's going to shoot me straight up to 570, I believe. So, and then that will unlock me so I can go to, I think, 180 miles an hour. But I don't want to talk your heads off. Y'all guys are here to see better fitment on the A8. So let's go do that. I'll catch y'all in the car. All right, so I finally made it to the tire shop. I'm praying to God these are the right spaces. I'm on my third set and I do not feel like getting another pair. But yeah, I'll show you the fitment that we got right now. So height-wise, too bad. It just needs to be pushed out. So that's the rear. And then look at the front. You know what I mean? So that wideness is definitely gonna give it that stance that I'm looking for. And then when I lower it, it's gonna be perfect. All right, the spacers are on and I ain't gonna lie, this is so much better. To some of y'all probably like, it still looks stock. I mean, it does, but oh, that's so much more aggressive. Y'all ready to see? Look at that. That is so much cleaner. See now, most people, I ain't gonna lie, some of them are scared of spacers, like, oh, you're messing up the car. There's nothing wrong with some spacers. Look at that. I might not even need to lower it, honestly. I mean, I could go down just a little bit, but the fitment is so much better. The rears, I feel like I could have went 25, but I think if I would have went 25 millimeter, it wouldn't have been as clean. Like, it's perfect. I mean, I still could, but once I get the new rims, there ain't gonna be no point. But yeah, that is so much better. So yeah, now since we got the spacers on, I'm feeling so much better. Now I feel like it's on the same level as the Rover, just without the rims. Man, this makes a big difference. Like now it went from somewhat stock to, I wonder what you got done to it. Yeah, that's so much better. And I was scared that the tires was gonna be too bulky, but they're actually not. Focus, please focus. Like they got somewhat of an Audi pullback, if you know what I mean. Oh man, that's so much better. Like even, let's go far away. Like even from far away. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I mean, I could go down a little bit. There's so much I can do to it. As a car guy, you already know the build is never perfect. It's never done. But yeah, this is cool, quick little video I wanted to make. Basically, I'm documenting just everything I do to this car, because with the Rover, I wasn't able to do that because I wasn't making videos at that time. But man, she looks so much better. Oh, yeah, that's hard. But I don't want to hold y'all up. I know y'all probably got work to go back to, stuff you need to do. You probably need to do them chores. You've been missing out on. But thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Dream Team, we out.